Hello guys, samahan niyo ako. I need to show you my house, my other house. I will bought this house and lot, and then with the store, with the appliances, with 900 square meter. So this closer to my house in the Philippines. So next village only. So guys, the color of this before is blue, but this house when I bought is very what do you call, like some of them they have no ceilings. The store they have no ceilings, the porch no ceilings, and the side of the roof of the side is no ceiling. So I decided to put the ceilings of this house. And then when my brother to start painting the walls inside, so it's all the walls is already broken, like if when you poke your finger is already in the plywood, it's not good no more. So I decided to replace inside the walls everything, and then repaint all entire house inside and outside, and also the roof. So now I repaint like blue and turn to old rose pink. So at now guys, and then after this we already the one who rent requested me to put a fence because they have dogs. So I did fence in the back. As you can see later the latest video, they have a fence, and then it's very nice. The house is nice. It's flat. They have no flood, nothing. So it's good neighborhood. Yun. As you can see, repaint all, and all these walls they take away, they change the plywoods and repaint again. See, and these houses already have air conditioning in the one room. So this is the room. They have 2 bedrooms. Yeah, they have 2 bedrooms, this house, and then everything is ready to move in, but we need to clean. I sent to my staff or my family to clean this room, everything inside and outside, make sure everything is clean before the renter to move in. So this guys is very nice, comfortable house. See, as you can see, and already have 2 beds and have cushion. Everything there, whoever rent the house is already have appliances, have couches, couches there, tables, and they already have water, and also they have electricity. So, and all around surrounded is with fence. So, at may mga tanim pa mga love, may mga tanim pa siya. At sino mag-rent dito, yun ay swerte kasi malinis na at pinabago pa lahat yung yun dyan. Mayroon siyang dirty kitchen at may another extra kitchen if you want to cook using wood. So they have extra kitchen too. So as you can see, this is the backyard. If they want to decide to raise a pig, we have a mini piggery over there in the back. And also right now they're building a fence. This land, we closed the fence, but after the fence, that's all my land over there. So they closed the fence there. But after, as you can see over there, after the fence, that's all still my property and still my land. They can, whoever stay there, they can plant vegetable over there. I let them plant as long na growing too high because I don't wanna happen like, for example, when they leave and they ask me to pay. No, they can plant vegetable that not growing high or something there. So that is the outside over there. The fence is still my property there. The close only there is like close to my house, close that house. But all the way down there is still my
Malagi
property.
video ko na kay na.
So thank you for watching, and also over here in front, and the renter is requested me to put the cement and flat